Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set timer in iPhone camera. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the camera, select photo. If this is set to video, go ahead and then select photo. Once you selected photo, click on the camera menu option on your phone. This depends on whether you're using iOS 18 or iOS 26. So on iOS 26, click on the menu at the top right. On iOS 18, it may be a little different. So go ahead and select timer. Then you should see your camera timer here. Come here and set the timer you want to use for your camera. So then you should see the timer pop. You can now go ahead and click on the shutter button. This is going to start counting the timer. And after that, it's going to take your photo. And again, you should see the timer here. To turn it off, repeat the same thing by clicking on the menu at the top right, select timer, then set this to off. And that's it. So that's exactly how to set timer in iPhone camera. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.